there is a difference between industrial refrigerators and the household refrigerators. Difference 2. 1 uses. Everyone knows household refrigerators, but industrial refrigerators are suitable for scientific research institutes, electronics industry, chemical medicine, biological engineering, advanced laboratories, military enterprises, etc. 2. In terms of power. According to national standards, household refrigerators consume relatively low power. However, industrial refrigerators are different and require relatively low temperatures, so they consume more power. Difference 3. 1 refrigeration medium. Because industrial refrigerators require relatively low temperatures, the refrigerants in different temperature ranges are different, while household refrigerators are relatively single. 2. In terms of materials used. When using accessories, because the required temperature of industrial refrigerators is relatively low, plastics are not suitable for existence at low temperatures because they will become hard and brittle. Generally, stainless steel is mainly used, which is not easy to deform.